Navigating the Sacred Tides. A guide to the do's and don'ts of Ratha Yatra and Bahuda Yatra, its return journey, Puri, India. Here is a comprehensive guide on the do's and don'ts for devotees. The do's. Embrace the spirit of devotion, spiritual and cultural etiquette. The Ratha Yatra is a time of immense religious fervor. Participate with a pure heart and an attitude of reverence. Chanting Jai Jagannath, singing bhajans. Respect the deities and the chariots. The chariots are considered sacred and are an integral part of the worship. Maintain a respectful distance. Follow the Pahandi with reverence. The ceremonial procession of the deities from the temple to the chariots, known as Pahandi, is a sight to behold. Witness it with devotion. Seek blessings from a distance. The temple administration has often advised against touching the deities or the chariot. Participate in pulling the chariots, if permitted and safe. For many, pulling the ropes of the chariots is a deeply spiritual act. If you choose to do so, be mindful of the immense crowds and your own physical limitations. Partake in the Mahaprasad. The holy food offered to Lord Jagannath, known as Mahaprasad, is a significant part of the pilgrimage. Stay informed about the rituals. Familiarize yourself with the schedule of rituals. Key rituals include the Chhera Panhara, where the Gajpati king sweeps the chariots with a golden broom. Health and safety precautions. Plan your trip in advance. Book your accommodation and travel well in advance. Stay hydrated. The weather during this time is maybe hot and humid. Carry a water bottle and drink to avoid dehydration. Wear comfortable clothing. Opt for light, breathable cotton clothes. Comfortable footwear. You will likely have to walk long distances. Be mindful of your belongings. There is a risk of pickpocketing. Keep your valuables secure and carry only essential items. Travel in groups and establish a meeting point. If you are with family or friends, decide on a meeting point. Keep your mobile phones charged. Follow traffic advisories. The Puri police issue specific traffic regulations during the festival. Adhere to these to avoid inconvenience. Avail medical assistance if needed. The administration sets up numerous first aid centers and medical camps. Prohibitions and restrictions, the don'ts. Don't touch the deities. The Sri Jagannath Temple administration has strict regulations against devotees touching the idols. This is to ensure the sanctity of the deities. Don't consume alcohol or non-vegetarian food in restricted zones. In and around the temple premises and the Grand Road, there are strict prohibitions on the sale and consumption of alcohol and non-vegetarian food. Don't cause obstruction. Avoid standing in the path of the chariots or in crowded areas for extended periods. Don't spread rumors or create panic. In a large gathering, misinformation can spread quickly. Rely on official announcements only. Don't carry prohibited items. Avoid carrying sharp objects, inflammable materials. Don't litter. Keep the holy city clean. Use designated dustbins to dispose of any waste. Don't engage in arguments or unruly behavior. Maintain a calm and respectful demeanor. It is important to contribute to a peaceful atmosphere. Don't overexert yourself. The crowds and the weather can be overwhelming. Take breaks. Be aware of your physical limits, especially for senior citizens. By adhering to these do's and don'ts, devotees can ensure a safe, memorable, and spiritually during the auspicious occasion of the Ratha Yatra and the Bahuda Yatra. For more important, useful information from other videos, like, share, comment, and subscribe this channel.